Hi, I'm Dr. Jeff Rohde. We're in Chicago at the Swiss Medical Technology booth at the Midwinter meeting. We're taking a close look at the Dentaloscope 2D. Now, more than just a product, this is a concept in dentistry about magnification and ergonomics. We're going to sit down with Dr. Gary Sanchez. He's going to tell us about how not only has it helped his practice, but kept him practicing.
I've been a dentist for 20 years, and I started having back pain right out of dental school. So I had 15 years of back pain, and I went through every kind of therapy that you can think of. Chiropractic, massage, acupuncture, Rolfing. I did everything. But what I learned from that was that you can't out-therapy bad posture. You've got to sit upright. You've got to be able to sit correctly to have health. So the real key to seating health for a dentist is to be able to sit upright, have a magnification system like the Dentaloscope 2D, and be able to work off of a screen where you're not looking down, hurting your neck and your shoulders. So what I see as the advantages of the Dentaloscope 2D is, first of all, ease of use. It's very simple, very quick to set up. Within a matter of 15 seconds, you can have it set up to work on any tooth in the mouth. Secondly, I'm able to sit upright and work off of the screen, so I don't have to look down. I don't have any of that neck and shoulder pain that we get from using loupes. I'm able to zoom in up to 24 power, and then it also has very bright LED lights that don't emit any heat, but really illuminate the mouth. So now I'm going to show you how the Dentaloscope 2D looks when we're working on an actual patient. You can see how much more alive the teeth are. You know, you're able to see old fillings. You're able to zoom in and zoom out. But I mean, you see so much detail that you normally wouldn't be able to see. And we can do the entire quadrant real easily. With the Dentaloscope 2D, you're able to take before, during, and after pictures using your foot pedal. You can hook it to a DVD recorder and record your entire procedure. You can connect it to your computer software and input these images into your software programs. It's just very, very useful as far as diagnosis, as far as treatment. The Dentaloscope 2D has really changed the way I practice. My back today, much better. I'm able to enjoy all the things that I want to do. Play with my kids, play soccer, basketball, all the things I enjoy doing, I'm able to do now.